Welcome to online classes. I will explain from page number 25 in this recording. Before that, I will refer some sentences as a reference and continuation. This time, even the emperor was pleasantly surprised. This young man is very smart. He thought to himself, it is a pity he lives so far away. He would be a fine husband for my daughter. A final test, he announced, the man who succeeds in this test will gain the hand of my daughter. The emperor and empress had come up with a very tricky test indeed. They had arranged for 299 young ladies to dress up in exactly the same clothes as their daughter. All 300 stood in lines in the great garden of the emperor's palace. Now from the book I will explain. The young princes came one after the other. The young princes were there in the garden, the great garden of emperor's palace. The young princes came near the queue of the 300 young ladies, come one after another to find out the daughter of the Emperor of China. Explanation 2. The young princes were attended there in a large garden of Emperor's palace. The young princess came near the rows of the 300 young women one by one to search out the daughter of the emperor. Explanation 3. The young princes were there in the massive garden of the emperor's palace. They proceeded towards the series of 300 young girls, one after another, to identify the daughter of the Emperor of China. Now from book, each one thought that the emperor's daughter would be the most beautiful one. Explanation 1. The princes who proceeded to the series of the 300 young ladies one by one, they assumed that the emperor's daughter would be the most beautiful one. Explanation 2. The 6 princes came forward towards the lines of the 300 young girls one after another. They considered that the emperor's daughter would be the most beautiful of all. Explanation 3. The 6 princes marched towards the 300 young women one after another, and they anticipated that the daughter of Emperor of China would be the most beautiful of all. Now from book. This one? No. Is this your daughter? No. And so on and so on. The 6 princes were observing the 300 young females. Someone of the princes asked Emperor, that one their daughter, pointed out to someone of the young female. Emperor and Empress both replied the negative sound. Someone asked if that was their daughter. Again the Emperor and the Empress replied that she was not their daughter, and like that way there were no proper identification about their daughter. Now from the book. Meanwhile, the young prince from Tibet had come up with an idea. Meantime, explanation 1. Meantime, the young prince from Tibet had come up with an concept. Explanation 2. For the moment, the young prince of Tibet turned up with an opinion. Explanation 3. At the same time, the young prince from Tibet made an approach with a notion. Now from book. He went around to all the palace workers, asking them questions about the princess. Explanation 1. The young prince of Tibet visited the palace workers and was asking them different questions about the princess of China. Explanation 2. The young prince of Tibet made round the palace and asked the palace workers and tried to get any positive information about the princess of China. Explanation 3. The young prince of Tibet looked over the palace and he asked many questions to the workers of the palace to get the right information about the princess of China. Next from book. When he asked one old woman, she had said, well, she is very like all the other girls. She is not the most beautiful, although she is very attractive. Explanation 1. The prince of Tibet asked about the princess. There one old lady had said that she was very like all the other girls, but she was not most pretty, even though she was very seductive. Explanation 2. The prince of Tibet, when asked about the princess, one aged lady had said that she was very like all other girls, but she was not most nice looking. However, she was very delightful. Explanation 3. The prince of Tibet, when questions to all workers of the palace, one of them, an aged lady, had replied that she was same like other girls of this kingdom, but she was not good looking, yet she was a very stunning. Now from book. Her hair is like most girls, long and black. The only difference is the oil she puts on her hair. From when she was a young girl, she has been using sweet almond oil on her hair. Explanation 1. The old woman described about the princess that her hair was like most other girls. She had long black hair, but there were only variants that she had used oil on her hair. She had been using sugared almond oil on her hair when she was young girl. Explanation 2. The old lady represented about the princess of China that she had long black hair like the most girls, but there was only deviation that she had used oil on her hair. She had been using honeyed almond oil on her hair since her young age. Explanation 3. The aged woman narrated about the princess of China that she had long back hair like the other girls in the kingdom of Chinese emperor, but only the dissimilarities was there that she had used oil on her hair. She had been using candied almond oil since her young age. This is the end of the explanation of today.